experience with being burned out and being a city firefighter?
Well, it's quite ironic that there was a structure fire in the home of a firefighter, but I was awakened by the smell of smoke at about 2 a.m. and I heard the neighbor crying out fire. So when I went to check it, I ran back inside the house to get my family out. The smoke detectors began to go off, but it was frightening almost, to do it on a daily basis and see many other families experience the same thing I experienced. But to experience it myself is unlike anything I've ever felt before. But we are recovering and everything is as well. So
Wonderful.
that's the
God
most
bless you.
important thing.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Richard Minfield.
Can you spell it for me on the?
Absolutely. RICHARD MINFIELD.
Thank you very much.